everyone, my name is Jo Morgan and I write the blog resourceaholic.com. Welcome to Maths Teaching. Today I've got 4 quick tips for your NQT year. First of all, tip number 1, pace yourself. I know you can't wait to get stuck in. I know you're really excited to do all the wonderful things that you can do when you work in the school. But don't try and do a million things in your first year. You need to focus on your lessons, and you have got plenty of time in the future, in your career, to take on all these extra responsibilities, run clubs, do all these extra bits and pieces that you can do. So just remember, teaching can be really challenging. It can be quite overwhelming at times. But that's all temporary. It gets easier and you've got your whole career ahead of you. So you don't need to do everything in that first year. My second tip is to ask lots of questions. Okay, you're new to teaching, so you can learn a lot from your more experienced colleagues. Ask them questions when you're planning your lessons, and I'm sure they'll be really happy to help you. The sorts of things you could ask them are, what are my students likely to get wrong in this topic? What are the misconceptions going to be? That's the sort of thing that a more experienced teacher will be able to give you lots of insight into. And if your colleagues aren't able to help, then perhaps join Twitter and ask your colleagues on there, your virtual colleagues, because we're all there to help. Tip number 3, borrow and adapt. You don't have to make all your lessons and all your resources from scratch every time. That takes absolutely ages and there's absolutely no need to do it. Okay, there is an abundance of great stuff available from centuries of maths teaching, so use it. Tip number 4, share. You're going to have loads of great ideas and we want to hear them, so please tell us about them. Share your resources, share your ideas, share your successes, share your challenges. We would love to hear about it. We would like to learn from you as much as you learn from us. Look, teaching is challenging, it is rewarding, but it's a really important job and we're really pleased to have you on board. Enjoy having your own classes, and if you're lucky, enjoy having your own classroom, because that's great. Good luck with everything, and most importantly, enjoy your NQT year.